Okay, now we're ready to try and actually get this thing to stick to the copper here. As you'll notice, we've already got it folded out of the way. This is so that we can get in there and preheat the copper. You just take a normal household iron. I'm fortunate, my wife's not home, so she'll never know any better. And you just turn it all the way up to max. If there's a steam setting, you want to disable that. Not that it makes a huge difference, but supposedly that's supposed to help. So we just get this iron on here, and we want to give it a good 30 seconds or so to preheat the copper. So we'll just sit here and we'll work it around. Pressure doesn't seem to make a huge difference, just as long as you get a nice even heat on it. Just keep it moving around a little bit. Get it all warmed up. That seems like it's been close enough to 30 seconds to me. Alrighty, so now what we do is we take our paper and we start to get it folded over here. So we want to get it creased back. You gotta watch yourself too, because that copper is hot. Quite very hot, actually. So then we just take this piece of nice clean paper and lightly set it over it. Try not to get it to touch the copper just yet, because what you want to do is now is take your iron and coming from the edge that you have the pivot on, work your way out. I just blocked you with my hand, but I'll just have to take my word for it that that's what I did. You just start from this edge and come forward to kind of get that thing tacked down. Once you get it tacked down, you really want to just put a good steady amount of pressure on there. This top sheet helps to more evenly distribute the pressure so that you don't get spots that stick and spots that don't. Hopefully you just get the whole thing to stick, but not always quite so lucky. I just want to keep working this thing back and forth on here for a good minute or so. Just make sure you keep a nice constant pressure on there. Also make sure you have something that's heat resistant below you, so you don't go messing up your countertop or anything more exciting like catching something on fire. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and call that good enough. We'll let this sit undisturbed until it cools off enough that you can just touch it, and then we'll go ahead and trim off the paper and everything, but you'll see that in a little bit here.